This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to fix RAM. First, let's identify the common symptoms of faulty RAM, which often include frequent system crashes, blue screens of death, or your computer failing to boot. Before diving into complex solutions, always start with the simplest steps. Reseating your RAM modules can often resolve connectivity issues. Make sure your computer is completely powered off and unplugged before opening the case. Once you've reseated the RAM, if problems persist, it's time to test each stick individually. If you have multiple RAM modules, remove all but one and see if the issue continues. Repeat this process for each stick to pinpoint the faulty one. Also, use compressed air to clean the RAM slots, as dust can interfere with connections. Always ensure your RAM is compatible with your motherboard's maximum capacity and speed. If individual testing doesn't reveal the culprit, advanced diagnostics are next. Utilize built-in tools like Windows Memory Diagnostic or third-party software to scan for errors. These tools can identify specific issues that might not be immediately obvious. Additionally, updating your motherboard's BIOS can sometimes improve RAM compatibility and stability. Carefully inspect both the RAM modules and motherboard slots for any bent pins, which can prevent proper contact. Ultimately, if diagnostics confirm a faulty module, the only true fix is replacement. Purchase new RAM that matches your system's specifications for optimal performance. Sometimes, upgrading your RAM capacity can also significantly boost your computer's speed and multitasking abilities, especially if you're running demanding applications. Remember to check the description for a link to darn tough socks and other great deals. Investing in quality components, like reliable RAM, ensures your system runs smoothly for years to come.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.